Hey, good morning, good afternoon. This is Jason Gerald, and I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk to you about my solo ad business with Udimi. I will be able to deliver T1 of 90% or higher. I will over deliver the order by 10%. And I have fresh leads of 300 to 500 leads per day coming to my list. And if your opportunity is MLM, multi-level marketing, internet marketing, business opportunity, then my list will convert for you. Now, I want to talk about the conversions and what makes a good list. My customers work well with your list. You want to make sure you have an opt-in page. Okay, so it needs to look something similar to this. Now, if you have something similar to this converts about 30 to 40%, where you're not trying to sell people, you're trying to, give them a compelling offer and saying, hey, hemp is creating millionaires. You're not trying to sell anybody anything, you're just trying to capture the lead. And you want to capture their first name, their last name, their email, and phone number. Why is phone number critical? Most people do not capture phone numbers. You want to be able to have your customers call you, which most of the time they won't, but you need to be able to call them to ask them if they have any questions, any concerns, that you're willing to help them build their business online. If you have a good quality product, don't be ashamed to put the phone number on the opt-in page. It actually helps convert your product, okay? And then you send, once they click on the button here, take us to your free tour or whatever, which is right here, that talks about your opportunity and how they can make money online right here with your videos. And then below that, you may have a couple testimonials. And then this is the actual link for them to sign up. Put your phone number underneath here, so that you make sure that they have a place to, if they have any questions, they have somebody to contact to, not just an email, but a phone number. And it's your good phone number that you will answer, okay? That's how you get a 30 to 40% opt-in rate and to make sales. Because if you just send people directly to this page, they get watching the videos, and the next thing they know, they get distracted and you don't capture the lead because you didn't do this portion of it first. So make sure you capture the lead first, send them to your landing page, and then call these customers and follow up with them, because you're going to see a very high percentage of them buy your product because you're willing to work with them and they know that you're a person behind this and not just someone shoving stuff down their throat trying to make a sale. Okay? All right, hopefully that makes sense. I look forward to your order. I will be able to deliver 100 or 1,000 or 5,000 leads to you per day, or whatever you need. So hopefully, guys, place your order with me and let's do some business together. All right, have a great day. Look forward to working with you. Bye.